Namaste to all. Today I explain you the breadboard, the PCB, the jumper wires, all explained in one video. So first I explain breadboard. The breadboard divided into four parts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and also it have plus minus sign. Like this you see, plus minus plus minus. Plus sign have red line, minus sign have blue line. It used to take a common from a microcontroller to a LED buzzer or a sensor. If you don't know about microcontroller, don't need. I explain it in another video, in other video, and also. But first see this, and next video I explain microcontrollers. All the microcontrollers are commonly used in our projects and IoT, AI, and ML. Okay, so first, breadboard is used to take common. I tell this thing, but also you know this breadboard is also used to automate things by a microcontroller. Okay, so if you want to search microcontroller now, go to Zoho Google browser. I am Indian, so I tell about India. If you use Google, I also use Google by the way. If you use Google, Edge, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, any other, so you go with that. Okay. So first is that breadboard is a have three types: long breadboard, big breadboard, or small breadboard, and a mini breadboard. Oh, sorry, long breadboard. Yeah, or also you tell this mini breadboard. Sorry, small breadboard and mini breadboard. Mini breadboard is a very small, and the mini breadboard also not have a plus and minus thing. Okay, so so you understand the work of breadboard, yeah? And also one more thing. This is a caution for you that never touch with that. Means with this, and also not scratch this, because if it have scratch, it is not a work. The breadboard was not worked. Also you it is a funny thing that you also in all breadboards, no matter but two breadboards that have like this, and then like this. See from back, but don't do it. Don't do it because sometimes it get, you understand. Okay, so then PCB have two types. First, circuited PCB and a normal PCB. So PCB is like on breadboard, but not exactly upon breadboard. It is in dark brown color or brown color. It is used also jumper wires, but it is a it we use uh, PCB by soldering. If you don't know about soldering, no need. I tell in my next video. And also, first thing is that that PCB is very used, and also, but PCB is mostly used in the projects. Third part is jumper wires. We have three types of jumper wires: male to male, male to female. Pins have यहाँ पे, pins have. I also tell Hindi in some time in video. Okay, and this side headers. If you don't know headers, I tell in my next video. Header is like this, that I have a pins like this, so I connect it from microcontroller and like this. Just for an example, don't do it. Okay, then we have male to male. It appears both side pins. This side also pins, this side also pins. Male female that have male to male, that have it. And note, male to male is commonly used, but not this. Female to female, this used many less time. It have headers and in both side. Thank you. Welcome. Just joking.